Einstein developed his relativistic theories mainly based on two ideas. One is the constancy of light speed, and the second one is the result of the Michelson-Morley experiment. The experiment was intended to detect either wind with the help of this interferometer. The device, a device, interferometer device, which can detect even a slight difference in different directions of the light. However, they failed to detect such effect. So they repeated the experiment different times. So the result was the same. Later also, similar Michelson-Morley type experiment repeated by scientists, but the result was the same as Michelson-Morley's. So when Einstein developed his theory of relativity, one of the foundation of the theory was the result of the Michelson-Morley experiment, the null result of the Michelson-Morley experiment, and the concept that the speed of light is a universal constant. However, if Earth is surrounded by a bubble, for example, if space is filled with a form of matter, and if that matter is attracted by gravity, then the Earth must have a region of dense region of space filling matter around the body. So if that is the case, if a Michelson-Morley type experiment, if you conduct inside this bubble, you cannot detect any such kind of either wind-like phenomena. Also, if such kind of a bubble exists around the Earth, definitely it will sun or the central object, the star, our sun also will have one bubble. And if that is the case, all the planets will have their own bubbles. And also, if that is the case, the galactic center also must have one giant bubble. So the planets' bubbles are situated inside the star's bubble, and the star's bubble are situated inside the galactic center, the center of the galaxy's bubbles. Now, we will discuss about mass defect and the release of energy. We know that every nuclear reaction release there is a mass defect, the difference between the products and the reactants, that is a mass defect. Every nuclear reactions has a mass defect. Every active star in the universe, every collisions like neutron star collisions, black hole collisions, supernova explosions, Such phenomena creates mass defects on a large scale. According to special theory, mass defect, mm, according to mass energy equivalence, the principle of mass energy equivalence, mass and energy are interchangeable. In fact, according to this principle, mass and energy are two sides of a coin. One can be converted into the other. So, according to special theory, mass defect in a nuclear reaction or any other event in the universe is converted into energy. Based on this idea, if you apply this principle in nuclear reactions, the missing mass is converted into energy, and this energy is the kinetic energy. Today we know that most of the energy in a nuclear reaction appears as the kinetic energy of the product fragments. However, this mass energy equivalence principle tells nothing about the actual mechanism, how actually a mass defect results in the generation of the kinetic energy of the particles. It simply says that mass defect is converted into energy, but it does not tell actually how actually this mass defect results in the generation of the kinetic energy of the product fragments. However, based on my studies, when a mass defect happens, this mass defect explodes violently. This explosion propels the product fragments at a very high speed. And when these high speed product fragments collides with the surrounding atoms, this results in the generation of heat and light. In fact, since the mass defect is a universal phenomenon, there are many reactions and events in the universe which results in the mass defects on a large scale. For example, as I said earlier, neutron collisions, black hole mergers, supernova explosions, and every active star in the universe release or creates mass defects on a larger scale. So, this leads to the conclusion that space itself is filled with this form of matter. In fact, the concept empty space itself is wrong, it's incorrect, because every mass defect in the universe is converted into a space filling substance. So space itself is not, in fact, empty, not empty. So space is filled with this type of matter. So there is no vacuum. We cannot say there is vacuum. In fact, there is no vacuum in the universe. Space is filled with this form of matter. Since it's a form of matter, it will be attracted by gravity. So every massive body in the universe, because of gravity, maintains a dense region of this evaporated matter around this body. If it is a sun or a planet, because of gravity, it will have a dense region of this space filling substance around this object. So, when light passes through a medium, the medium's density will affect the light speed. So, if you apply this principle, when light passes near a massive body, for example, a star or a black hole or a large scale in a galaxy, because of this dense region surrounding this massive objects, the light speed will change according to the density of the surrounding medium, surrounding region, and it will get refracted and bent. So we can explain starlight bending and the dioptric lensing with, this refraction of effect of this dense medium. If that is the case, if light travels from one edge to the other edge of a galaxy, it will be traveling through, if this is a galaxy, if light travels from one edge to the other edge, it will be traveling through different density regions. So the light speed will change according to the local, either this local, the space will matter density, and the speed will change multiple times. If you consider a large vast area of space in the galactic center, there will be difference in the space filling matter density. So we cannot say that light speed is a universal constant. In fact, light speed varies according to the local density of this space filling substance. That means the concept that light speed is a universal constant is not correct. So, first we saw that space filling substance, that one may call, we may refer to either or whatever we like, but space filling substance is the reality. And the speed of light is not a universal constant. These two facts, in fact, I am sorry to say that, invalidate the relativistic concepts. In fact, we do not need the relativistic view of the universe to explain many phenomena. We can find better and alternative explanations for all phenomena in the universe. In fact, by just adding this space filling substance, if space is filled with this type of matter, it is certain that it is indeed, it is certain that the space inside an atom also may not be empty. If space is not empty, the space inside an atom also is not empty. So this will uh, revolutionize our current understanding of the structure of the atom itself. So this is a vast area of research. I recently published a book. You can buy my book. You can download my book free of cost. I have given a link to the book in the description. You can download my book. If you have any difficulty in downloading my book, if you send me an email, I can send you to your email. I am Joseph George. My research is supported by Daniel Michael McDonald. So, thank you for your interest. Please visit my, please watch my other videos. I have already uploaded many videos in my channel. Now I am preparing my papers for peer review. I also have a new theory of light, uh, a new theory, new model of the atom, and many other important aspects in the about matter, energy, space, time, etc. Thank you for interest. Thank you for watching.